Hello there, I'm Abdullah Alanezi and welcome to another episode of Imagine. Imagine is a series where we take a deep dive into the future, exploring the incredible impact artificial intelligence may have on our everyday lives. Today, we're painting a picture of a not-so-distant future where geographical boundaries become irrelevant, thanks to the marvels of Metaverse technology. Now picture yourself sitting comfortably in your living room in Kuwait, while your son is thousands of miles away in Oregon, in United States of America, studying hard. Yet, with the help of virtual reality, you both are able to share a cup of coffee as if you were seated at the same table. This is the power of Metaverse technology. It allows us to transcend physical locations and immerse ourselves in a virtually created environment. You're in Kuwait, yet you can feel the weather of Oregon, see the layout of your son's room, and even reach across the table to share a book or watch a movie together. But it doesn't end there. Even the simplest gestures of affection are not lost in this virtual world. When you reach out to touch your wife's face or to give your daughter a kiss, they can feel it, despite the miles that separate you. And just like in the real world, not all interactions in the metaverse are pleasant. Yes, you may even find yourself in an online feud, where a heated argument can result in a virtual blow. To summarize, Metaverse technology promises a future where distance is no barrier to human interaction. It allows us to share experiences, express affection, and even engage in disputes, just like we would in the physical world. This is the power and potential of AI, transforming our lives in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. But how can the Metaverse be harnessed in our daily lives? Consider this. Work meetings no longer confined to stuffy boardrooms, but taking place in a virtually simulated space, customized to foster creativity and innovation. And it's not just limited to professional settings. Imagine family gatherings where distance is no longer a hindrance. With the Metaverse, we can have a family dinner with loved ones living halfway across the globe. As we embrace the Metaverse, we must also embrace the change it brings to our professional and personal lives. The future of human interaction is changing, and we need to be ready to adapt.